morning, my name is Richard Sayers. I'm Senior Dealer Sales Manager for the Construction Division of Kubota UK Limited. Allow me to introduce to you the KX080-4, which is its UK launch at PlantworX this year. First major change, and probably the most major change about this machine, is the engine. It is the cleanest running engine of its type in this class. It's a new engine which has features of electronic control of the fueling system, exhaust gas recirculation and particulate filter in the exhaust system. Before it goes into the particulate filter, the exhaust gases are going via a honeycomb filter to take out the large particles. Secondly, it goes through the particulate filter to take out the smaller particles. Next major function about this machine, because it is a green machine, is housed within the cabin. With this engine that we've just talked about at the back, on the initial startup and on every startup, the engine goes into automatic burn-off mode, which means that it's burning the particulate straight away. You do not have to switch it in. However, there is the option of operating the switch in the cabin to push it into a non-burn-off mode to work in very temperature-sensitive areas, because when you're in the burn-off mode, the temperatures at the exhaust pipe can get as high as 500 degrees C. Secondly, in association with the engine, to give us even more green credentials, is the fact that this excavator has an eco digging mode. On initial startup, the machine is automatically in eco digging mode, and in this condition, the performance of the machine is identical to its predecessor, the KX080-3, and it gives, on top of that, an 18% fuel saving. If, however, you wish to get more performance out of the machine, we can switch out of eco mode into power mode. We still get a 12% increase in fuel, but what we also get is a 5% increase in front end performance. The machine is now a -4, and like all of the -4s in the range, the actual layout of the controls, the colour of the machine with a dark cabin, and the front control tower is all in the operator's face, so while he's operating he can see exactly what is happening, and he will automatically get warning devices flashing in front of him, and if these are not taking his attention, alarm buzzers also go off at the same time. Secondly, on the controls, we have two auxiliary services standard on this machine. One on the right hand control lever with proportional controls giving 100 litres a minute, and second on the right hand control lever, proportional controls yet again giving 66 litres a minute in time. If I then step out of the cabin, the next feature that has been added to this machine in association with the boom load hold check valve, which was common on its predecessor, we now have the addition of an arm load hold check valve, once again to promote the fact that this machine has excellent front end loading capacity, and on the very nature of what it's capable of lifting, it needs these valves in it to keep it within the current laws.